guys, so today I'm in Yosemite National Park and it is like a winter wonderland. It took forever to get here. The roads are completely white and completely snowed over, but it's so pretty. And it's February, so that means there's a possibility that the firefalls might happen. And that's what I'm going to be trying to get today. Fingers crossed, that's what this video is all about. There is Horstail Falls right up that way, and El Capitan right there. It is so pretty. We got a bunch of other photographers here down at Cathedral Beach picnic area. So for this trip, I am actually testing out a backpack. So I'm a backpack person. So a lot of people will use like a rolly bag. Some will use a cross strap like a shoulder bag or a backpack. And so I'm testing out this backpack. My friends over at Horn Photo are allowing me to try it out and see how it works for me. So this is the Pro Master backpack, and it is a back loader. And let me tell you, my backpack is just way too small for me anymore. I've had it quite a while. I need a new one. So this one's really cool. I'm seeing how I like it. I'm loving the back loader though. So basically the way you get to all your gear is just this zipper here. And bam, there it is. I mean, talk about easy access to all your stuff, being able to just see everything. So some backpacks, when you actually, the loading is from the side and you can't see all your gear. So you can only see what you can see just from this little side panel. The other thing about this one is it's nice and deep to where it can actually hold lenses standing up. A lot more room with that being the case. So anyways, testing it out and seeing how I like it so far. I think it's awesome. But yeah, so this is the ProMaster. You guys could check it out at promaster.com, I think it is, but I'll put the link in the description below. Or go to your local camera shop and see all their backpacks. There's just a ton of different options. Again, this one was from Horn Photo. That's in Fresno, and those people are just awesome. They're super helpful. But that way you can actually get your hands on the gear and see what you think of it. So anyways, more to come on this backpack. There is Horstail Falls, waiting for the sun to set. Well, it's not looking like it's gonna happen tonight. So what it has to do is it has to be February, so the angle of the sun is just right. There has to be no clouds in the sky, and there has to be water coming out of, or coming, you know, whatever, water in the waterfall, right? So that's what we're hoping for. It's 5:40 right now. It should be changing colors, but I'm gonna wait here and see for just a little bit. I am getting a really cool shot of El Capitan with this pink cloud around it, and that's this photo right here. there's the falls, and it's about the time that it actually should be changing. Well, it didn't happen. So the clouds came in at just the wrong time. So anyways, but you know what the thing is you've got to try, you know, you got to try and come out here and try to get the shot. And this one's a tough one to get, but I wanted to share the one I got with you, or I wanted to share with you the one I got a couple years ago. So that's this series of images. So that series of images was actually taken with my Canon T2i. So that was my very first digital camera that I got. Really started dabbling in digital. I was doing film the whole time before that. And yeah, that's kind of where my whole photography business started, was with that camera. And I just want to encourage you guys, a lot of people think that just because they have a crop sensor camera and they don't have all the fancy gear, that they can't go and get some really cool shots. So anyways, I just wanted to share those with you because I still love those images, and maybe next year I'll be able to get this shot, but you know what, I'm going to come back here every year and try again until I get it again, and then probably every year after that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys in my next video.